Hey everyone, Joe Hancock here with MarineMax Venice. Today I am aboard the 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler. First thing you'll notice on this boat is the teak accents. It's a really small optional upgrade that makes the boat just really look upscale. When you first come to the back of the boat, you'll have a 115 horsepower Mercury outboard right here that has the command thrust on it. Dual jump seats in the back. When you come to the helm, this is a modulating seat, so this flips all the way forward, and underneath the seat you also have your live well for when you're out fishing. At your helm you have your throttle and everything like that, basic gauges, little Simrad screen to be able to view all your analytics and your navigation. On the starboard side of the boat there is a little drawer right here for your tack storage for your fishing, as well as you have rod holders at the front of the helm. We also have the optional cooler seat at the front of the helm, so you can sit on top of the cooler, and it's also a great spot to store all your fish when you're out in the water. Boat is also equipped with the trolling motor panel, so if you would like to add a trolling motor on, it's already rigged up so you can just plug and play. This is the 170 Montauk from Boston Whaler.